Are you ready to dive into the tools that will make workplace communication smoother in your business? Check out this video and accompanying PowerPoint resource on organizational communication. The PPT Deck contains an internal communication plan identifying stakeholder, as well as a matrix on spoken and written delivery mediums to ensure communication is always streamlined. Download and improve workplace communication with this PPT set. Not only that, get up to 15% off with a click on the link below. It is always important to ensure that your communication strategy is working. Define your KPIs, choose your preferred tool, and finally share the result with stakeholders. Deploy this PPT slide as a memo for employees to help them inculcate communication plan for project issues management in 5 phases: project initiation, planning, execution, monitoring, and closing. This PPT bundle will help you implement better internal business communication through a simple 5-step process that assists you on deciding information type, priority, key stakeholders, and more. These slides also allow you to improve communication with entities outside the business with emphasis on delivery medium and purpose. Download this PPT bundle to ensure smooth and open communication inside and outside the company. For more such templates, visit www.SlideTeam.net.